Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. Feature a futuristic-looking catwalk. It will also host pop-up metaverse shops and afterparties. The area's shopping district will surround the virtual runway, and is inspired by architecture from Paris's famous Avenue Montaigne, known for its chic clothing stores and decor. The event is slated to run between March 24th to March 27th, according to the press release. Decentraland is exchanging hands at $2.71 at time of writing, a 16% increase from its 7-day low of $2.27. And last news today about Avalanche, Avax, and several Ethereum rivals now look very unhealthy, warns top crypto strategist. A popular crypto analyst says Avalanche, Avax, and other leading Layer 1 platforms are starting to flash signs of weakness. Pseudonymous analyst Smart Contractor tells his 205,000 Twitter followers that smart contract platform Avalanche. What does the article say about the company's Casa Voltaire hosted? The story starts in 2014 with Manuel Arias, a recent computer science graduate from BitPay. He was one of BitPay's first employees, and had to find a physical space for the Buenos Aires operation. The place he chose to rent was Casa Voltaire. At the time, cryptocurrencies were not a popular subject. So, the only people that talked about it naturally banded together. Or so says the legend. What does the article say about the company's Casa Voltaire hosted, though? Briner and Arias launched OpenZeppelin, a smart contract security and auditing firm. Among their clients are Ethereum Foundation, Coinbase, Compet, and Brave. Darius Nadermanis and other members of the Casa Voltaire years later founded Muon, a crypto wallet famous for its simple design and ease of use. It's actually a Bitcoin-only wallet, but let's not blame the nation or the author for the mistake. Esteban Ordano, one of the founders of Decentraland, the most successful company, in terms of listing, to emerge from Casa Voltaire. But just how successful? Well, when Zuckerberg changed the name to Meta, Decentraland's value went from $1.6 billion to $7 billion that they specifically designed for the Metaverse Fashion Week. Playing on the term catwalk, they used cat-faced avatar models to showcase the collection. After the show, the full collection became viewable in an exclusive Dolce & Gabbana pop-up in Decentraland's luxury fashion district, curated by luxury-focused marketplace UNXD. UNXD, as well as Vogue Arabia, were core partners of Decentraland in curating the traditional fashion brands at MVFW. Recently, Dolce & Gabbana sold a series of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for about $6 million as part of another collection co-created with UNXD. DNG's next step into the metaverse is the launch of the Family NFT community, which intends to give members exclusive access to physical and digital drops and wearables. Family holders will receive airdrops from this MVFW collection. Development. The Casa Voltaire mystery. What happened in that house in Palermo, Buenos Aires? The original article's author couldn't find enough information about the founder's time there. Is there a reason for that? The article quotes an anonymous programmer. Low-profile personality is one explanation, but also security issues, and not raising your head at a time when regulations and tax burden on the sector are supposed to increase. The unknown history of the Palermo bunker, where millionaire companies were born. La Nation guides us through the few things people know about the mysterious house. A hacker house with a startup incubator feel. Casa Voltaire's guests experimented with smart contracts and Bitcore, the DAOs of the time. They also created some of the first NFTs before that acronym appeared in public consciousness. And that was in their downtime. During office hours, Casa Voltaire spawned 3 successful companies. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. First news is the beta version of Decentraland's desktop client for Windows has arrived. You can get involved and help test its performance improvements in preparation for a more complete launch in the coming months. Second news today about Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, Mana, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, Mana, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. Mona's creative director Sam Hamilton says that while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and haute couture are not new to the metaverse. Decentraland has been on the cutting edge of rare and in-demand digital fashions since the launch of Avatar wearables in 2020. Since that time, creators have been pushing both the technical and stylistic limits of Decentraland wearables, and have created a booming economy with over $1 million in sales of Avatar wearables last year. The immersive fashion show will take place in Decentraland's new luxury fashion district, and will how much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.